हमारे लग गए।
क्या हो गया? क्या लग गए?
टेंट लग गए हैं।
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। नई जर्नी स्टार्ट हो चुकी है। पावना लेक
ब्लू वाटर पावना कैंपिंग है। इधर मल्टीपल साइट्स है।
I'll show you the sites. Basically we are here to spend a night camping. Barbecue वगैरह शायद होगा, पता नहीं, but let's see. मज़ा आने वाला है, exciting है. This is going to be exciting. It's been a long ride. Now I'll take rest. They are starting the preparation for camping and yeah, बाकी बताते जाते हैं कैसा कैसा है. Scenes भी दिखाएंगे, मस्त मस्त है. Oh my God. So, क्या बोलूँ यार, क्या जगह है.
हमारे लग गए।
क्या हो गया? क्या लग गए?
टेंट लग गए हैं। Show you the tent.
विल शो यू द टेंट कहाँ पे है, कैसा है. So this is how the camp is looking. My tent, मेरा टेंट. तकिया का है? तकिया नहीं है, ये कंबल. अच्छा तकिया इधर है. Oh, there's my pillow. Talk to you after some time, probably. Of course बात करूँगा. लाइक जैसे जैसे दिन ख़त्म हो गया, शाम शुरू हो गई, तो दिस प्लेस इज़ लुकिंग मोर ब्यूटीफुल. ऑल द लाइटिंग्स आर लुकिंग गुड और प्रिविलेज टू बी हियर. लेट अस चेक आवर फ्रेंड आउट. क्या कर रहा है वो, व्हाट ही इज़ डूइंग. डूड
ये क्या, तुम फोन भी लटका सकते हो इधर ऐसा.
अच्छा ऐसा है क्या? ओके.
टेंट फैसिलिटी.
Yo fellas, so now we had an awesome dinner and बहुत मज़ा आया खाने के बाद. We are relaxed now.
Barbecue okay था.
Barbecue was okay, but the dinner was fantastic. I liked it. We had an veg plate. Here we are. I'm very sleepy now, so we will be.
But PUBG खेलेंगे.
PUBG. Yes. Cool. We will be playing little bit game. Then we will be sleeping. In the morning we'll get you then.
Hi bro.
Yo, good morning.
Good morning. कैसी थी आपकी नींद?
Nice.
Okay.
I thought you were sleeping, but you woke up.
Yes. Nice tent.
Nice tent. Good morning, everyone. We're done with the breakfast. Hey, Sana, like there are many organizations here who take care of the tents and all the places and all. So when you come here, you will be getting a lot of organizations. They are going to help you with the whole stay and all. That's how it is. I'm having my coffee right now. थोड़ी देर के बाद बात करते हैं. How's it?
Nice. Very nice. Amazing.
Amazing. We had an amazing experience here. लग रहा है कि यार चल कुछ करके आए हैं. So the tent was awesome. The lakeside was awesome. The food was awesome. Dinner.
The place is awesome.
The place is awesome. And the only thing is it is a little bit away from both the cities. You have to come a little bit inside.
And while traveling, also make sure that you wash your hands properly and everything, because as of now there is coronavirus. You might be aware of that. So while traveling, just make sure that you didn't get direct contact with something without, and after each an hour you should wash your hands and everything while traveling. Just make sure that.
Yeah, this is not the normal thing which is corona is like here, so we will be doing washing our hands. This is the regular thing you have to do while you are traveling. This is not a corona thing that कि यहाँ आया तो हम लोगों को यार safety के लिए करना है. You should do every time. Like you should wash your hands, wash your face, and should not like मैं थोड़ा ऐसा ज़्यादा करता हूँ, हाथ ऐसा मुंह पे ऐसा कभी कभी मेरे को ऐसा लगता है, तो that I'm also avoiding. You should also avoid if you are doing that. Hope you guys like all the stuff we have created, and see you guys in another video, another vlog, another informational video, anything for you guys. So
Due to formalities.
yeah, so अगर यहाँ तक देख लिया है तो यार subscribe, comment, like, share, do all that YouTube formalities. And
If you like the video, just like it. If you dislike the video,
dislike it. पता है क्या हुआ?
democratic country.
तूने बोला था ना, मेरे को हंसी आई थी उस बात पे. Like तूने बोला ना कि while we were traveling, तो हम लोग यहाँ से यहाँ आए ना, तो स्कार्फ नहीं बना था, तो इसने एक मस्त डायलॉग वाला बोलो. कौन सा? मट्टी वाला.
एक भी मट्टी वेस्ट नहीं गया, सारा मुंह पे. This is Pauna Lake.
Signing off. Bye. Peace. Love you. Take care. Bye.
Ooh.